students, our lesson today is ordering and comparing fractions. Rule number 1. To compare between any two fractions having the same denominator, compare between their numerators, where the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater. Rule number 2. To compare between any two fractions having the same numerator, we look at the denominators, and the smallest is the greatest and the greatest is the smallest. For example, we have 2/9 and 5/9. Here we have the same denominator, 9 and 9. So we look at the numerator. We have 2 and 5. 5 more than 2, so 5/9 more than 2/9. Another example, we have 3/7 and 1/7. Here we have the same denominator, 7 and 7. So, yes, we look at the numerator, 3 and 1. 3 more than 1, so 3/7 more than 1/7. Another example, we have 1/7 and 1/3. Here we have the same numerator, 1 and 1. So rule number 2 say, if we have the same numerator, we look at the denominator. We have 7 and 3. The smallest will be greatest and the greatest will be smallest. So 3 here more than 7. So 1/3 more than 1/7. Another example, we have 1/6 and 1/8. Rule number 2 say, if we have the same numerator, we look at the denominator. Here we have 1 and 1, so we will look at the denominator, 6 and 8. The greatest will be smallest and the smallest will be greatest. So 6 more than 8, so 1/6 more than 1/8. Let's do some exercise together. Please open Pupil's Book, page 52, exercise number 3. The first example, 3/4 and 1/4. Here we have the same denominator, 4 and 4. So we will look at numerator, 3 and 1. 3 more than 1. So 3/4 more than 1/4. Here we have 4/5 and 1. We know that 1 means any number over the same number. So we will here cancel 1 and write 5/5. So 1 more than 4/5. 9/11 and 7/11, we have the same denominator, 11 and 11. So we will look at numerator, 9 and 7, 9 more than 7, so 9/11 more than 7/11. 5/7 and 6/7, we have the same denominator, 7 and 7, so we will look at numerator, 6 more than 5. Here we have 3/3 and 1. We know that 3/3 means, yes, 3/3 means 1. So the sign here will be equal. Here we have 4/8 and 7/8. We will look at denominator, 8 and 8. So look at numerator, 4 and 7, 7 more than 4. 2/9 and 7/9, 9 and 9. So we will look at numerator, 7 more than 2. 2/5 and 3/5, we have the same denominator, so we will look at numerator, 3 more than 2. Here we have 6/6, and we know that any number over the same number equal, yes, equal 1. So we will cancel 6/6 and write 1, so the sign will be equal. If you have a different denominator, you must do cross multiply. Let's do example. We have 4/9 and 6/8. We will cross multiply 8 times 4. 8 times 4 equal, yes, equal 32. Write 32 up. And we will cross multiply 9 times 6. 9 times 6 equal 54. So 54 more than 32. So yes, the fraction 6/8 more than the fraction 4/9. Let's do some exercise. We have 1/7 and 6 over 9. Here we have the different denominator. So we will make cross multiply. 9 times 1 equal 9, write 9 up. 7 times 6 equal 42, write 42 up. Here 42 more than 9, so 6 over 9 more than 1 over 7. Another example, we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. Here we have the different denominator, so we will make cross multiply. 4 times 1 equal 4. 2 times 1 equal 2. 4 more than 2, so the fraction 1 over 2 more than the fraction 1 over 4. Remember that ascending means from the smallest to the greatest, and descending means from the greatest to the smallest. Arrange the following fraction in an ascending order. Here we have the fraction 1 over 5, 1 over 8, 1 over 3, and 1 over 6. Here we have the same numerator, rule number 2. Here we have the same numerator. So we will look at the denominator. The smallest will be greatest and the greatest will be smallest. Ascending means from the smallest to the greatest. So the answer will be 1 over 8, 1 over 6, 1 over 5, and 1 over 3. Arrange the following fractions in a descending order. Here we have 2 over 8, 7 over 8, and 1 and 5 over 8. Here we have the fraction having the same denominator except 1. We will cancel 1 or replace 1 by 8 over 8. Any number over the same number equal 1. So we will replace 1 by 8 over 8. The answer will be 1, which is mean 8 over 8, 7 over 8, 5 over 8, and 2 over 8. Another example, arrange in descending. Here we have 3 over 10, 7 over 10, 1 over 10, and 5 over 10. Here, rule number 1, we have the same denominator, so we will look at numerator. The answer will be 7 over 10, 5 over 10, 3 over 10, and 1 over 10. Our homework booklet will be page 44, 45, and 46. Thank you and see you soon.